Hey, how's it going? Chris here with the Yakima Valley Hops. Wanted to show you guys how I keg carbonated beer from my unitanks. So let's get into it. When we're counter pressure filling with carbonated beer, what it's all about is balance. And it takes a little bit of adjustment. I set mine off of sound. That's the way that I've learned. They do have keg fillers that you can kind of use. But basically you want to fill it just a little bit faster than a tap. And you want the pressure going into the vessel with gas the same as it's flowing in. Any instability in pressure will cause foam and beer loss. We have a pretty basic setup. We hook to the racking arm, right to a keg filler, and then with 2 ball valves so you can control the flow going in and out of the keg. So we will, this one is already set. I'm gonna open it up, start transferring. So you really want to make sure as the keg is filling, that pressure is staying steady at that 12 PSI mark that I have that works for our system. When she starts filling, you'll see this. This is just the foam coming out, not beer, not beer. It'll be a steady stream and you'll know that the keg is actually full. That right there is a full keg. So then we're gonna turn it off, untap it, stick it on the next keg. These kegs are pressurized to 15 PSI, which is a little more than I do, so I gotta vent them. Check to see if it goes back to the tank, vent a little more. And then on to the next keg. Since we didn't change this out valve, the flow rate stays the same, maintaining pressure inside the tank. And that's kegging. All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow Yakima Valley Hops for more tips and tricks. See you next time.